Welcome back, everybody. Again, it's Todd. And what we have in store today, our outdoor lighting timer has expired. So we have to get rid of that one and put in the new one. The breaker is off, by the way. I could have brought a more reasonable size screwdriver. Oh, Lord. That's everything wired in. 110 in, neutral in. This is also the neutral for my Cutler hammer relays down here. This red one goes, this is the in output from the timer down to the relays. And this jumper just feeds 110 to the one side of the relay in here. So there we go. Let's do a quick test program. It is 118, be 119. So we'll set this thing to come on at about, let's do it for 120. So we go to, this is our schedule mode. All right, then we got to go back around because that's AM. 1 minute. We'll go to set that for 120. Okay, just for grins, we'll do 121. Give us some time to do the tell it what time to go off. How about that? All right, enter. It jumps right to schedule 2, so we're going to go now jump to PM, which is good. It'll be 122. And you got to make sure that you mode this over to auto. All right, so it is now 120. In 1 minute, that should come on. And when it does, these relays right here, you'll hear them clack, and you'll get an LED right there to denote that we are in fact on. All right, there we go. I like the way that the air conditioner simultaneously turned off at the same second that the relays came on. Now, in about 45 seconds, it should turn itself right back off. And the reason for this is I've got outside lighting on a plaza we have right out here, and then on the other side of the building where some staff parks, it's nice to have that lit up at night. It does that too. And it should, there we go. So guess what? She works. So now we'll just put the program in that we want on and off to do on a daily basis, and this little project is done.